How to get rid of silverfish fast. Silverfish are harmless, but these grayish-blue serpentine creatures aren't pleasant to have around the house. They feed on books, dead skin cells, and other starchy materials and thrive in dark, wet spaces. Once you have determined you have a silverfish infestation, you can get rid of them by repelling them, trapping them, and making your home less hospitable. Figure out where they are lurking. Since silverfish are nocturnal, you may not see them during the day. Rather, you'll probably become aware of their presence because of what they leave behind. Look for damp, dark areas with small spots of excrement that look like black pepper. Small holes and yellow stain on clothing, wallpaper, and cereal boxes and other cardboard or fabric material also indicates their presence. Finally, silverfish shed their skin, so you can look around for their tiny skin cast in your bathroom, basement, and other areas where you suspect they live. The other method is to set out homemade glass silverfish traps. Take a quart-sized mason jar on another container, wrap the outside of the container with a piece of masking tape. Place a piece of bread at the bottom of the glass, set the glass in an area where you suspect the silverfish to reside. The silverfish will climb into the glass to eat the bread, but they'll be unable to get back to the top since the glass is too slippery. The traps at night when the silverfish come out to feed. The other way is to try newspaper traps. Roll up a newspaper, band the ends with elastic and moisten it. Set it out where you often see silverfish living before you go to bed. In the morning, silverfish will have eaten their way into the newspaper since you have provided them with both food and cozy environment. Throw the newspaper without unrolling them or burn them. Repeat every night until you don't see any more signs of silverfish. Sprinkle diatomaceous earth in cabinets and other dark areas. This powdery substance is actually food grade and it's used to kill anything that crawls. It's made out of the ground up fossilized material, and sharp edges of each individual grain of dust puncture insects' exoskeleton and cause them to die without causing any harm to humans or pets. Try boric acid. This is another natural substance that kills both silverfish and their eggs. Sprinkle it along baseboards, under the bathtub, and in the areas where you see silverfish signs. Be careful not to inhale the boric acid when you apply it, since it's toxic to the lungs. Buy a chemical spray containing liquid pyrethrin. This chemical kills silverfish when you spray it along the baseboards, into the cracks, as well as other places where silverfish lurk. Do not apply it into your kitchen cabinets or near food sources. And don't apply it where children and pets hang out, since it's toxic. Sprinkle cedar shavings where they live. Silverfish are repelled by the smell of cedar, so you can keep them away by sprinkling it around the areas where they live. Since cedar shavings can make a bit mess, use them in outdoors, vacuum them up and replace them every week so. Use spice sachets in your kitchen cabinets. Silverfish don't like the smell of spices, so making up little sachets of cloves, cinnamon, and other strong smelling spices and placing them into your kitchen cabinets is a great, safe way to keep them away from your food. Use a citrus or lavender spray. Both of these scents are also effective in repelling silverfish, and they are completely non-toxic to humans. Of course, get some lemon or lavender essential oil from health food store, dilute it with water, and shake the solution up in a spray bottle. And spraying liberally in all areas where you don't want silverfish. These sprays are great for closets, drawers, and other bedroom areas.